So hi friends, how are you all? So you must have seen the thumbnail and video title. So in my today's video, I will show you how to unfollow everyone in Instagram who don't follow you back, or you can unfollow your mutual friends also. Okay, so I will show you the two ways to unfollow all in Instagram, and this is new trick for free of cost. So just I want to say, please watch this video full and do like, share and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start our today's video. So guys, to unfollow everyone on Instagram in one click, so first and second method is little bit similar. So first I show you the first method. Open Play Store, and this both two are applications method. So here first you have to search one application, you have to download unfollow for Instagram. Okay, you can see here the second number application, unfollow for Instagram. Link is in the description. So first you have to install this app in your smartphone, unfollow for Instagram. Okay, so I wait until it's fully download. Okay, so app has been installed, so I open this, and you can see here first you have to log into your ID, type your Instagram username and pass. So I type here, and after you type your Insta ID and pass, you can see here is one tick mark. So first you have to click on this tick mark and then click on this sign in button. Okay, now I log in to my ID. Okay, now you can see here my Instagram all details, non-followers, mutual followers. So first you have to click on this first option, non-followers. Okay, so just tap on this, and you can see here are all the people list who don't follow me back. Okay, non-followers. So if you want to unfollow them in just one click, so simply you have to click on this unfollow 39 user. Okay, so simply you have to click on this, and now you can see here this interface, mass unfollow in one click, and here are two options, upgrade to pro. This is you have to pay for this upgrade to pro, but to use free you can see here skip watch ad. Okay, so simply you have to watch that ad, and then this all non-followers who don't follow you back will be unfollow. Okay, in just one click. You can see here simply click on this watch ad button, then after ad is complete, then all your non-followers will be unfollow automatically. Okay, in one click. Okay, so this is the method guys. So I go back, I don't want to unfollow that people right now, I am just showing you the step how can you do this. Okay, this is free of cost. So another option is mutual followers. Okay, you know what is mutual. So if you want to unfollow them, simply you have to click on this. Okay, in below two option, cancel and unfollow 14 user. Simply you have to click on this unfollow 14 users. Okay, then in free of cost you can unfollow everyone. Okay, this is the first method guys, by using this app. Unfollow for Instagram. Link is in the description, so just watch that ad and you can unfollow your mutual followers also, or any other people. Okay, in just one click. Now let's move to the another method guys. Another method is also same. First you have to open Instagram, and here you have to search another application. Okay, so you can see here this app guys, link in the description, followers and unfollowers. Okay, so simply you have to install this app, and you can see here you have to log in. Same process guys in both applications, just you have to log in, and this app also free of cost. Okay, you can see here this interface. So this is similar, so I don't want to right now show you the step. You can watch in YouTube. This is free of cost guys. Okay, this is same application, you can use this same method. So these are the both two applications which can be very helpful to unfollow everyone in one click. So link is in the description. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.